If a parent has a child that's struggling with reading or math, certainly if they're struggling with reading, they're still struggling with math. The first thing that we do, either with a private student or an supplemental educational service student, is we assess their skills. It's empowering to the child because in our assessment we actually tell our students, because we know for a fact this has nothing to do with how smart they are. At this assessment we share some aspects of the language with them so that they recognize very quickly that they've not been taught this skill, and the reason they struggle with reading is because they haven't been taught one skill or another. And what we use is what's called a systematic explicit phonics program that's multisensory in design. For example, if a child is more visual learner, of course we use what are called visual, auditory, and tactile, kinesthetic tools with our materials with our kids so that we don't ever miss. And if in fact we don't bring a student's reading skills up in 24 to 32 hours, we will continue teaching them for free until achieved. We're not going to give an extra 6 or 8 lessons to that child. We're actually going to teach that child until we are able to assess them and their reading skills are where they need to be, typically at or above grade level.